Hello guys, in today's video we're gonna talk about how to create and customize a website on Wix for handmade and artisanal business easy and quick. So as we know, Wix is a type of website that you can create easily using a platform called Wix. It helps you build your own site without needing to know how to code. It offers various tools to design, add content and customize your site. So first of all, let's start from here, build with Wix editor. Okay, so now you can start with Chat AI, so it's gonna help you to build and customize your site. And also you can go to basic setup. So for me, I'm gonna go from here to basic setup. So let's get started. Okay, now enter your business type or your website type. Okay, so you can select your business from here. For example, I'm gonna choose this one, Handmade Jewelry Shop. Now enter your store name. Do you already have an online store? Choose if you already have one or not. What would you like to sell? Physical products or digital products or dropshipping products? So this is depends on your business. Where would you like to sell? Online store or your mobile app or marketplaces and social media. Now let's continue to dashboard. Okay, so let's go to design the site. So how would you like to design a website? You can let Wix create a site for you or customize the design template. So let's get started from here. Okay, so now you can add, enter your information, the name, the email, your address, and your phone. Also, you can add the social link. Okay, let's move on. Now you can pick a theme you like, pick a theme match your business. Okay, so you can try your best to make your site look attractive to attract more people and more customers to your website. Okay, so now you can pick your favorite homepage design. Okay, okay, I'm gonna choose this one. Now, if you wanna just add page to your site, now wait a few seconds for preparing your homepage design. Now your site is up and running, so you can go to editor to complete the design. So as you see here, this is the editor page. So here we have, you can add elements, you can add sections, you can design the site. Okay, so first of all, let's start from with elements. So here we have first the text, so you can customize the theme text, the titles, the paragraphs, the text mask. Also here you can customize this section here. You can upload images, import images. Here we have the buttons. You can customize the theme buttons, the text and icon buttons, the icon buttons. And also we have decorative, so you can customize the themed lines, the basic shapes, the rows, horizontal lines, vertical lines. Okay, so let's move on to the next section. So here you can, if you want to add section, just click here. You can select what kind of sections you want to add on your homepage. And here we have site design. You can customize your site design. You can change the color theme, the text theme, the page background. Okay, so first of all, here we have the header section. Okay, so you can do quick edit. You can change, if you want to change the site name. You can manage the horizontal menu. So nothing special here. Let's move on to the next section. So as you see here, you can change the section background, the strip background, this image here, you can change it. If you want to change the paragraph here, just click on it like this. And now you can select the type of the section. This is the welcome section, and you can insert information to include here. Okay, so after this, click here and it's gonna create it. You can make it shorter if you want. You can regenerate another one. So for example, I'm gonna use this one. Okay, so that's it. Also you can regenerate this title here, or this welcome text. Okay, let's move on to the next section, the product section. So you can manage products. So click on your product and select the type of the product. Okay, so you can add here the title of your product. You can add the image and the videos. Also you can enter here the product information, the name, the description. You can customize the price and options. For example, you can turn this on and customize the discount, the sale price. Okay, you can customize here the or manage the inventory in the shipping section. Okay, so after you're done, you can save this place. So let's move on to the next section, about section. So the same thing as normal. If you want to regenerate this text, just select the type and you can insert information to include, and like this you can make it shorter. So that's it. You can also change the color here. Okay, let's move on. So this is the client section, so you can customize it. You can change it whatever you like here. Okay, so this is the code section. You can regenerate another code. You can also change the image here if you want. Okay, so if you want to change the image, just click here. And search on Handmade. Handmade jewelry. Okay, so for example, I'm gonna choose this one. Also, you can regenerate another text here. So that's it. This is the last section here, the footer section. Nothing special here, just your email and your copyright, your company name for the copyright. So that's it. So before you publish, you can go to see your site looks like, how it look like on desktop and mobile before you go live. Also, you can save it. You can upgrade if you want. So after this, you can publish your website and you can start selling and start your business. So that's it for today. If you like this video, don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.